99% of people don't know that there's actually a fat-burning switch in the abdomen. If this switch is never activated, your belly will stay big and bloated no matter what you do. Today, I'll explain it one last time. If you want to slim your belly in a simple and easy way and build a firmer waistline, then every morning, while your stomach is empty, lie on your bed and practice this next movement for 5 to 10 minutes. So many people have been trying to learn this method but never knew where to start. So if you came across this video today, please watch it carefully until the very end. This might be your last stop on the journey to reducing belly fat. The key is that this movement is simple to learn. One look and you'll understand. One try and you'll get it. You don't even need 1 minute to fully grasp it. If you're worried you won't remember, save this video so you can find it anytime. First, let's locate this switch. Look at her while sitting down. Her upper stomach sticks out very high, her belly sits higher than her chest, and the rolls of fat around her abdomen layer over each other, appearing very loose. When she lies on her side, the fat around her belly spreads downward and outward. But when she kneels, the belly hangs downward. And when she lies flat, the belly pulls back in quite well. Don't assume this body shape is simply caused by eating too much and exercising too little. That would be completely wrong. The real reason is that this switch hasn't been activated. The pressure inside the abdomen becomes too high and trapped gas isn't being released. This can gradually lead to a hanging belly and anterior pelvic tilt. The lower back arches backward, the hips tilt back, while the belly pushes forward and downward. For this type of body shape, if the abdominal pressure isn't released and the trapped gas isn't relieved, the belly may never flatten. Yet 99% of people make mistakes from the very first step. They go running, do aerobics, and try all kinds of intense exercises. But please don't do that. Running and aerobics create downward impact, and this type of belly already pushes forward and downward. Adding more downward force can make things worse. Frequent running may also place extra strain on the abdominal muscles and pelvic floor muscles. Now, I'll share this method with all of you. Once this switch is activated and the abdominal pressure is released, allowing trapped gas to move out, the belly can pull back in more easily and become firmer. If you learn this one movement, your belly won't easily bulge again. I know this from personal experience. After my second child, I weighed more than 150 jin, and my belly stuck out noticeably. After practicing this routine consistently, my weight gradually dropped to 98 jin. Because of this experience, I later became a body management coach. Before that, I also tried running and aerobics. But after a while, I realized my knees and lower back couldn't handle it. I also tried dieting and eating fat loss meals. But over time, I noticed my hair thinning and my nutrition becoming unbalanced. Later, I invested a lot to learn this method. So, what exactly is this method? It's widely recognized in the fitness world as one of the fastest and most effective ways to work on belly fat. It's called the Yoga Ball Deep Core Abdominal Massage Method. Before training, prepare a small Pilates yoga ball like this. It helps support the exercise. You can usually find one at larger sports stores. It's inexpensive, about the price of a fast food meal. Now give it a try. Place the ball under your abdomen, right below the belly button area. That's right. Lie face down. Support yourself with your elbows. Keep your body steady and lift both legs slightly. Very good. Now let the ball roll forward and backward beneath your belly. Move slowly, do not rush, and keep breathing naturally. As you roll, let the ball press deep into the abdomen. With the deep stimulation from the yoga ball, the trapped gas inside the abdomen may gradually release, while abdominal pressure begins to ease. The bigger the belly, the faster this process may happen, and the faster the belly may begin to flatten. Around the 20th repetition, you may feel like burping or passing gas. Ma'am, do you feel that? Yes, I do. Very good. That means this switch has been activated. Your entire abdomen has been trained effectively. It also works the deeper abdominal muscles and the rectus abdominis. As abdominal pressure eases and trapped gas is relieved, these muscles become stronger. Your belly gradually tightens and your lower back may start feeling more comfortable. At the same time, your calves, thighs, glutes, abdomen, and even your arms all work together. It's such a simple movement, yet it engages so many areas of the body while precisely training the abdominal muscles. Most importantly, it's simple, safe, and easy to follow at home every day. So wouldn't the results be worth it? Wouldn't the effort pay off? Ma'am, have you learned it? Yes, I have. Great. Then every morning, on an empty stomach, do 1 minute per set for 3 to 5 sets a day. Finally, when choosing a Pilates yoga ball, pick one made from quality material with no strong odor, an anti-burst design, and a weight capacity of over 300 Jin. If you're not sure where to buy one, or worry about choosing the wrong one or paying too much, tap my profile picture. There's a product showcase inside. I've already prepared the same Pilates yoga ball for everyone. It's effective, affordable, and ready to use.